Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Farhan Ahmed, and in this video, I am going to show you how to make a live Forex dashboard in Excel. uh, we can create a live Forex dashboard in Excel, which will update on real-time basis. Uh, Here, I have taken some data which shows that I have purchased some foreign currencies on different dates. These are the dates on which I purchased foreign currencies. These are the currencies which I purchased, number of units I purchased of each currency, and the exchange rate of these currencies on the date of buying, and value of currencies at the time of purchase or purchase cost of these foreign currencies. I've calculated the purchase cost of these currencies by multiplying the units purchased and the rate at which these were bought. So this is the cost of foreign currencies or cost of investment on foreign currencies. And in this column, I want the live Forex rate and by multiplying the units of Forex foreign currency by these live rates, I will get the value of each currencies in real-time basis. And in this column, I will calculate the profit or loss or unrealized profit or loss on each currency. Unrealized profit or loss means the profit or loss which is shown at the current rate of the foreign currency, and we call it unrealized because we have not yet realized it, and we will be able to realize it if we sell the currency on this rate. So let's begin with the preparation of Forex dashboard. In order to get the live Forex rate, let's go to the browser and search any Forex website. Type Forex rates, and here we have daily Forex, dailyfx.com, Forex Pakistan. In this sheet, since we need the PKR value of these currencies, that is Pak rupee value of these currency. So we will open the linked PKR, Forex PKR, and we will take the open market rates of these foreign currencies, and here we can see the PKR value of each currency. So here we have the table. Now let's come back to the Excel worksheet, and in data tab we have get external data tab, in which we have get from web. So we will click on this and we will copy the URL which we just searched and paste it in the query box, new web query box, and click on go. This will open the website in this small window. So the site is open, and let's make it a bit wide. Scroll down, and here we can see that before each element we can see this yellow or orange type of arrow which says that the next table you want to select. So this arrow is asking us which element from this website we want to select and import in our Excel worksheet. So we want to select the Forex table. So we will check the Forex table on this website and click on import. When we click on import, it will ask us where we want to import the selected table. We can import the selected table on the existing sheet, or we can import on a new worksheet. I'm checking on a new worksheet and I will press OK. So it will take some time to import the data, and this imported table is being updated on real-time basis. And in order to check whether it is really updating or not, change any value of this table manually. For example, for Saudi Riyal, I am getting 59. So let's make it 95. Just change it. So it's 95. And now we have a option, refresh all. Press it. And the value we've just changed restored back to the original value, which indicates that the table is updating on real-time basis, and whenever we will press click on refresh all button or press F5 or F9, the sheet will update automatically. And we can also check options to update sheet whenever we open this file. So we have imported the Forex table in our worksheet, and now we can get the live Forex rate of desired currencies in this column by using VLOOKUP function. And VLOOKUP function basically searches a particular specific item from a database vertically and gives the corresponding value from the desired column index, which we specify in our formula. Uh, for those who are familiar with VLOOKUP function, will be able to understand it easily. And for those who are not yet familiar with VLOOKUP function, I will make another video on VLOOKUP function. So for this Forex table or Forex dashboard, just proceed VLOOKUP table, VLOOKUP function, sorry, and come to the data table we just imported from the website and select the range. And the first column of the range should contain the specified value which we want to search. So we will type VLOOKUP and we want to look up this currency. This is the symbol of the currency in this table. And in this table, the first column of the selected range should contain the symbol of the currency. So I will select this cell, which is the symbol of the currency, and select the range which is showing the buying and selling rate, and I will select the entire range. Now I want to convert these currency into PKR. This table is giving me the PKR value of each currency, and for me, I should take the buying value of the currency. That is, buying value is the value which shows the value at which the for exchange will buy the currency from me. That is, for me, buying is actually selling, and for me, selling is actually buying, because the buying rate is the rate at which the exchange will buy the currency from me. So I hope you understand this. So I have selected the range, and now I will select the column from which I want the exchange rates, which is the second column in this case, and I want the exact match, which is false, and now I will press enter. So I got the Forex value of the AED. Now I want to freeze the range from which I want to look up the Forex value. So I will press F2 to edit the formula, and I will come to the range cell, that is B1, and I will press F4, freeze the starting cell, and then I will come to the D24 and then again press F4 to freeze the ending cell of the range. Now the range is freezed. Now I will select entire cells below this and I will press Ctrl D to copy the same formula underneath the cell. So I got the forex rate of all currencies which I have bought on different dates at different rates. Now in this cell amount in PKR, I can calculate the PKR value, live PKR value of these currencies by multiplying the units which I bought and the forex rate of this currency, that is live forex rate of these currencies. And today at this point of time, ED values 9150. And in this column, I will subtract the cost of currency from the current PKR value, that is current PKR value is amount in PKR now, and the cost of currency which was at the time of purchase. So I subtracted the cost of currency from the current PKR value to get the unrealized gain or loss on these currencies. By unrealized gain or loss, I mean to say that it is unrealized because I have not realized it yet. I will only realize this when I am going to sell the currencies at this rate now. But I am not selling them now. That's why I have not realized the gain or loss on these currency, and that's why I am calling this unrealized gain or loss on these currencies. So now I will copy and paste the entire formula below to get the current market value of all currencies and current unrealized gain or loss on each currency. So in this way, I prepared a live forex dashboard which is updating on live basis, and by clicking on refresh all, we can get the live forex rate and live PKR value and live unrealized gain or loss on each currencies in this way. So here we are done with the forex dashboard. Now let's play with the presentation of this forex dashboard. Let's make the heading bold and let's create boxes. So I will give border, all borders to get a tabular form, and I will make it thick border heading. So it's looking like a table, forex table, and let's play with some visualization of these data. Let's make a graph or pie chart to show how much total investment, how much each currency contributes in the total investment which I have made in different currencies, and how much each currency contributes towards the live market value of the investment which I have made in these currencies, and how much each currency contributes in the current unrealized profit and gain of the currencies on the currencies. So before proceeding to the visualization of the table, let's do one more thing. Since in this table we can see that we have purchased same currencies on different dates. For example, we bought euro on 3 December, then again euro on 12th December. So let's I think this data is already filtered on the basis of currencies, but let's say that this data apply filter on it, and let's say that this data was in ascending order, that is from oldest to newest, and now we can see the real picture, uh, that we first purchased US dollar on 27th April 2020, and then we again bought it on 12th January 2021. Similarly, we bought euro on 3 December 2020 and again on 12th June 2021. So let's first sort these currency so that we can get a picture that how much investment we have made in each currency. So let's sort it again, and this time sort it based on currencies so that we can get the investments in each currency. Now, once we have sorted them, let's total them on the basis of currencies by using a function subtotal. So let's go to the data, and in data we have subtotal option. Just click on this, and we want to total the investment based on currencies. So we will say that we want to sum on every change of currency, and what we want to do, we want to sum, and what we want to sum the cost of investment, we want to sum the amounts in PKR or the current value, PKR value of the currencies, and we want to sum the profit. So we will check these. We will sum the exchange gain or loss. We will sum the amounts in PKR and cost of investments in these currencies, and we will press OK. And now when we get this, we will get the total currency wise total of the investments, market values, and profits. So here we can see three levels of this table. First level is showing all the data, that is the data as well as their total. When we press click on 2, we will get only the total of each currencies, and for visualization we only need the totals. So we will prepare the visualization on this data, and if we click on one, we'll get only the grand total. So level 3 is the detailed presentation of the table. Level 2 gives me only the totals, and level 1 will give the grand total of the table. So we will use the data which is presented by level 2, and let's first unify the presentation of the table, all borders, and let's do this, and make it bold. So we have the data which is real-time Forex dashboard. It is updating the Forex rate on real-time basis every time we click on refresh all button. And here we have refresh all. When we press on refresh all, it will update on real-time basis. Since I am making this video in the night hours, so the Forex are closed, so the value is not changing, but when we will be updating this Forex table during the business hours, it will be updating on the real-time basis. So we have the live Forex dashboard, and now we want to play with the visualization. So let's say we want to introduce a pie chart which shows how much each currency contributes to the total investments which I have made in the foreign currencies. So let's first select the range, and then go to insert, and select pie chart, and select any which you think is suitable. So I will go to this option, and this pie chart, this pie chart, this pie chart, no, this pie chart, no. I will go with this, and I will click OK, and then I will place it. Oh, 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 I will place it outside the data table so that data table is visually clear. And now I will modify the elements of the chart. I will say this is the cost of Forex investment, and I can also change the type of charts. I can see different types of chart here. If I want to see the labels, I can see this. If I don't want to see the labels inside the chart area, I can select any other type of chart or any other presentation of chart. This seems to be better, but label is on the top, so I think I will go with this presentation or this presentation. Let's go with this presentation. And now I want to edit the labels of the legends. So I will click right on this, and I will click on select data, edit, and here I can see that the first number one is AED. When I come on this, I see value 6262.5, which represents the AED value. So I will begin with this. AED, the first currency. The second currency is AUD, which is Australian dollar. Third currency is Canadian dollar. The fourth currency is euro. The fifth currency is Great Britain pound. The sixth currency is Thai baht, and the seventh currency is US dollar. And I will click OK. So I got the label of this chart modified, and now I got the chart. And this pie chart will also be updated on real-time basis. When during the business hours, I will be refreshing the page. I will get the pie chart also updated based on the live forex rate. So pie chart will also be updating on live forex rate, real time forex rate. So this is the contribution each currency is making in the total investment in forex currency, or the total cost of forex investment. How much each currency contributes in the total cost of forex investment which I have made in foreign currencies. So I got this. Now let's get how much each currency is contributing in the unrealized profit or gain on foreign currencies. So let's select this data range and go to insert again, and this time again insert a pie chart. You can go with any chart type, but I like pie chart presentation for this, so I am using pie chart. So let's come down, edit the title, and let's give a title, Forex contribution, or let's say contribution of each currency in gain or loss. This is showing me how much each currency contributes in the gain or loss which I am getting on the foreign currencies. So I formatted the label. Let's place it in center. Now let's choose a suitable type of the chart. This chart seems suitable to me, so I am using this because it seems suitable to me. You can choose any other type which you feel better. And now I will again edit the label of this by right clicking on this and then clicking on edit, and again I will type the currencies. The first currency is Arab Emirati Dinar, second is Australian dollar, third is Canadian dollar, the fourth is euro, the fifth is GBP, the sixth is Thai baht, the seventh is US dollar. Press OK, and now I get the chart which is showing me the contribution of each currency in the profit which I am getting now. So this pie chart will also be updating on the real-time basis when I will be refreshing the table during the business hour. Since I am making this video in the night time and this is not the business hour, forex are closed, so the rates are not changing now. But during the business hours, rate will be changing on real-time basis, and this table will also be updating on the real-time basis, and this chart will also be updating on the real-time basis. So that's for today. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.